In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can connect your Agentive chatbots with Make. And in this way, your chatbots will be more functional, more dynamic, and you can actually transfer a lot of information from your Agentive chatbot to Make. And we're going to be using webhooks on make.com to capture the data. And to send the information, we're going to be utilizing the tool function, which is available on Agentive. And this actually makes your chatbot a lot more powerful if you can actually implement them properly and use it well. Okay, so if you guys are not familiar with what Agentive is, it's actually a platform. This was actually created by Leah Motley, and you can actually build and deploy very powerful AI chatbots. So let's just head over to the chatbot which I've already created. So this is the prompt that I'm gonna be using. This, as you guys can see, this is a very basic prompt. I'm just using this prompt to test the chatbot, nothing else. And as my goal of this video is just to show you guys how you can actually connect your chatbot with Make. So yeah, I'm just using this very basic prompt over here. All right. So you're an expert in lead generation and you work at a dental company. Your role is to capture leads by asking their name, email, and phone number, all of this. And once you've captured the lead, name, email, phone number, you will run a tool. Okay, so this part is actually important. You will run a tool which you have been provided with named as capture leads. So it's important that you mention the tool that you have created and you have implemented in your chatbot. So as the tool has already been uploaded over here, so I've just actually given it further context that you already have a tool implemented and you're going to use this tool after you've captured the name, email, and phone number. So it's actually essential that the chatbot knows that the LLM understands when it should actually run the tool, right, to send to transfer the data. So this tool will help you transfer the information you've captured and send it from one application to another. This I've just added this line for further context for the LLM, nothing else. Okay, so let's just head over to tools. This is where you can add the custom tools, the custom actions. I've already created a tool which can capture leads. So the tool is over, the code is over here. So this is the schema, and this is how it looks like. So the important thing over here is if you want to know like which data is actually being transferred from your conversation to the chat to the make webhook. So which data is actually being transferred during this process, you can actually check it over here. So at the end of the code, you can actually see that there is a required variable, a required key. So as you guys can see, this is what it says: name, email, and phone number. So this means that the names, emails, and phone numbers are actually the required parameters over here. So once that these three key values are collected by from the conversation, only then will this function be triggered, and this will actually run. And this is where the webhook URL is. So we'll actually just copy the webhook URL from make.com. Just simply copy this from here. This is a scenario that I've already created. So just simply copy the webhook URL and then paste it over here. All right, and that is actually it. Maybe you guys want to create a different uh, custom tool. Maybe it can be for an appointment sync chatbot that actually takes different parameters or so, like instead of name, email, and phone number, maybe it's taking questions and answers as parameters. So in that case, you can actually ask GPT. So basically all you're gonna have to do is basically just copy this code and then just share it with ChatGPT, and then you can actually use this prompt. So I want you to write me a schema which will be used to as a tool or function from a custom GPT. Just give it all the context, and you will use a format and structure similar to this one. I mean, like similar to this one. So as this schema is for capture and release, I want you to give me another schema which will be for now. You can actually enter your purpose here, like what are you actually wanting to create, what functions do you want, and what parameters do you want to pass. All right, so if you want questions and answers, so for example, if you're building maybe an appointment search chatbot for a fitness coach and you want to grab the answers such as what are your fitness goals and all these answers, so you can actually ask ChatGPT to structure this schema in that way. So after that, after you've provided enough context and enough information and you've given the instructions properly, and of course shared this as context, share this entire code as context, you can ChatGPT will successfully be able to give you another schema according to your needs. All right, now if you're wondering how I got this schema, I've actually used this from Leah Motley's video. So he uploaded a video on how you can actually add custom tools. So I just copied his code which he provided, and I asked ChatGPT to do the same thing, that I want this, and this, and just customize this and give it in this way. So yeah, I just basically got this from ChatGPT. Anyways, So let's just copy this entire code if as we want to implement this into our chatbot. So let's just copy this code. Now let's just get rid of this. Select an upload tool. I'm just simply gonna paste the code over here. So once it's been successfully been implemented in your chatbot, you'll be able to set this the name of the tool, okay, which is capture leads, and after that you're gonna select create tools, and it's ready. So that's all there is. So if so just to paste your webhook URL, you're simply gonna have to head over this. Just paste your webhook URL, just copy it from make.com and just paste it over here. All right, that's all there is. And then all you have to do is just copy and paste it over here. And after that, and it's ready. So let's just test it out a bit. All right. So I'm just gonna say like hi. Before that, let's just see if it can actually capture the if the webhook can actually capture all the data. So I'm just gonna run this module, this webhook module. Okay, so as this tool has been implemented, I'm gonna test this chatbot and see if it can actually successfully transfer the data. So before we begin, can we just provide name, email, phone number? Okay, so I've already written my name. It's just on my clipboard. I'm just gonna paste it. Oh, it's over here. Okay, so here is my name, email, and phone number. I'm just gonna click on enter. Let's just see what it responds. Okay, so thank you, Manzarul. I've successfully captured your details. How can I assist you further today? So it's just saying that it has successfully captured. Okay, so here it is: name, email, phone number. There we go. It's that simple. Simply just copy the code, paste your make webhook URL over here, and if you want to customize the schema according to your needs, it's not absolutely necessary that every single one of you who's watching this video is gonna need this exact same schema or the exact same tool, right? So if you want to modify this tool, simply just copy this and give it to ChatGPT, and you can actually use this prompt which I've shared with you guys. I'll be sharing this document with you guys. You can find this in the description down below. So after you can actually ask ChatGPT that you want to use this format and structure. Just give it this prompt, and then ChatGPT will be able to give you a schema based on your needs. All right. This way, you can actually use ChatGPT. Just create a schema by yourself, and then just connect it with make.com. And after you've connected it, there's like infinite amount of possibilities that you can actually do. So if you want to connect it with Google Sheets, I've already done that. So it's a name, email, and phone number. It's just Google Sheets that I've just implemented this to. So let's just run this again and see if it actually works. I'm just gonna hit on run once. Okay, over here I'm just gonna say that run this again, run the tool again, something like that. So okay, so I've run the tool again, and the details have been successfully captured once more. So let's just see. Okay, so as you guys can see, the scenario has been successfully been it has been successful. So let's just head over to my Google Sheets. So it was leads from me. All right. So I was using this Google Sheets, and hold up, there should be a. Okay. So as you guys can see, all the data from my Agentive chatbot has been transferred from my Google Sheets via make.com. So there's a lot of things that you guys can actually do, but my main goal here is how you can how you can actually connect make.com with Agentive via the schema that I've provided you guys. Now after that, you can actually do a lot of things. So if you want to connect this with chat gpt, or maybe you want to send an email or do a lot of other things, I don't know, like you can do so many things from here on. If you want to do a lot of various other operations, you can do it from your own easily, right? Okay, so I think that's it for this today's video. Now, if you guys enjoyed this video, then feel free to hit the subscribe button. And if there is anything you guys want me to make a video on, any topic you guys have in mind, then feel free to share it in the comments down below. And yeah, if you stick to till the end of this video, then I really appreciate it. Thank you guys, and see you in the next video.